You won't believe the 9 millionaire financial habits I wish I knew in my 20s. 100% must watch for a wealthier future. Get ready to be astonished as I reveal 9 crucial millionaire habits vital for achieving financial freedom. These transformative practices, honed in my 20s, will shape your financial destiny and empower you to attain remarkable success. Well, today we're going to talk about the money moves and habits that millionaires wish they started in their younger years. Welcome to my channel, Why Trend Money. Now, before we get into the 9 habits, let me start with a question for you. What's one money mistake you made in your 20s that you wish you could go back and change? Maybe you racked up credit card debt, didn't start saving and investing early enough, or made other poor choices. I think we can all relate on some level. The good news is it's not too late to turn things around. Even if you're not in your 20s, these powerful money habits can positively impact your finances at any age. So, let's dive in and uncover the habits that can make you a millionaire. And first, we've got to have a mentor. Finding a great mentor can be the difference between ending up as a success or a failure in life. Your mentor is your leader, and like any leader, they know the way, walks the way, and shows you the way. Going through life without a mentor is a bad way to go, as there's no one to show you the path to success. And history has always taught us something. To become great, you've got to stand on the shoulders of giants. I mean, Warren Buffett wouldn't be the great investor he is today without the impact of Benjamin Graham. When Buffett attended Columbia Business School, Graham was his lecturer and mentor. Graham instilled in Buffett the concept of value investing, finding high-quality companies trading at discounts. This strategy was critical to Buffett's success as one of the richest men in the world. The second habit I wish I knew is investing in my financial knowledge. Just as your body needs proper nutrition to be healthy, your mind needs quality input to thrive and make smart money decisions. You must understand that you can't grow past your mind if you don't invest in resources to feed your brain. You end up making wrong financial decisions. Many financially successful people attribute their habits of continuous learning as the key to their prosperity. For instance, business magnate Elon Musk is also an avid learner, revealing he sometimes reads 2 books in a day. Musk believes in consuming information from a variety of disciplines, saying, "It is important to view knowledge as sort of a semantic tree. Make sure you understand the fundamental principles." This interdisciplinary approach to knowledge helped Musk gain insights to found game-changing companies. The third habit is making use of a high-yield savings account in your 20s. Letting your cash chill in a regular checking account is like watching it shrink. With inflation at around 4% these days, your money is losing value each year, as most checking accounts earn a tiny interest rate of less than 1%. Not cool. Instead, you can move your cash to a high-yield savings account. High-yield savings accounts offer way higher interest rates to help your savings grow faster. You can use Marcus by Goldman Sachs, giving you up to 4% annual yield on your balance. And the best part is, you can still access your cash anytime without taxes or penalties like other investment accounts. It's just sitting there, churning out interest each month for you to reinvest. Let me tell you, the interest you earn in 1 month now totals more than you'd get from your old checking in an entire year. Crazy, right? The fourth financial habit that millionaires have in their 20s is that they contribute to a 401k. When I landed my first adult job out of college, I admit I barely glanced at the benefits package. 401k? Roth IRA? Huh? It all sounded so complicated and far off. But contributing to a 401k would have been one of my smartest money moves in my 20s. A 401k allows you to stash away money from each paycheck for retirement. And the icing on the cake is that it's taken out before taxes. So, You lower your taxable income now while building up savings for later. Genius! You only need to choose how much you want to contribute, and then it'll be taken out of your paychecks instantly so you don't have to think about it. Some companies will even match some of what you put in, which is like getting money for free. But don't just rely on employer matches. You should still try to max out contributions. The money compounds and grows tax deferred over the years. Missing that 401k contribution early on is my regret. And now, in my 30s, I would have already got a nice chunk stashed away for retirement. But it's never too late to start. Another habit I wish I had in my 20s is building my credit. Credit scores were a total mystery to me in my early 20s. I figured I'd worry about that financial mumbo-jumbo later. Boy, was I wrong. Building good credit as early as possible sets you up for financial success. Good credit shows lenders you're reliable and can handle debt responsibly. That equals better loan terms, lower interest rates, and savings. Even if you're not buying big things now, you'll eventually need credit for stuff like cars, homes, or starting a business. Building credit is easy when you're in your 20s. You can get a credit card that doesn't charge a yearly fee, pay it off every month, and use it to buy small things. Making on-time payments shows credit bureaus you're trustworthy. Do that consistently and your score will start climbing. The sixth financial habit you must have in your 20s is strategizing credit card usage. I was clueless about credit cards for so long in my 20s. I just swiped my single starter card for everything. I missed out on so many potential rewards. Now, I strategically leverage different cards to maximize benefits. Let me break it down. My OG Wells Fargo card still gets love for its long credit history, but I use specialty cards for bigger rewards where I spend most. My Southwest Priority card is for flights to visit family since I travel a ton. 3x airline points equals free trips. The Gold Amex card is my daily driver for 4x points at restaurants and grocery stores. That $250 annual fee practically zilched out by the dining and Uber credits. I'm not saying open a million cards. A few strategic ones can pay off, literally, if you plan them right. Another must-have financial habit in your 20s is tracking your finances. You see, your 20s can be a tumultuous time financially. You might be starting your career, dealing with student loans, or simply figuring out how to manage your money independently. Tracking your finances is like having a compass to guide you through these financial challenges. You can use apps like Personal Capital, YNAB, Spreadsheet Budgets, or Mint to sync all your accounts for a big picture view of cash flow, spending, investments, everything. These apps are crazy helpful for budgeting as they can help you compare this month's spending to last month's totals to hold yourself accountable. Another habit that can help you achieve millionaire status in your 20s is having streams of income. When you're in your 20s, you should always look for ways to make extra money. Don't put all your money into one basket. Ensure you get out there and look for other ways to make money. Even though most of us don't have many rental homes like big-time owners do, but don't give up. There are smart and simple things you can do to make a little extra cash without much work. The ways to increase your income are limitless, from renting out a space to cashing out on your skills. The last financial habit I had in my 20s is seeking advice. You got to make it a habit to stay in the know when it comes to your finances. Specializing in non-finance related fields like a doctor or carpenter doesn't mean you should have no idea about your finances. Money matters can sometimes feel like venturing into a maze of confusion, but that's why you've got to rely on magazines, financial advisors, and free online resources. So whether you're diving into online resources or seeking professional guidance, remember that knowledge is power when it comes to your money. Stay curious, ask questions, and keep learning. Your financial future will thank you. And this wraps up our video on 9 millionaire financial habits I wish I knew in my 20s. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments below what finance topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. I love hearing your feedback and suggestions. Kindly hit the notification bell so you never miss new videos and updates. Thank you, and peace out.